So tonight this video is going to be a little bit different. I'm working on a Hyundai Santa Fe, and it's a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder manual, and the reverse lights are not working. So we've gone ahead, we've checked the bulbs, they're good, and the fuses are good. That's not the problem. So I did a bit of research and found out that sometimes the reverse light switches go bad, which is what this is right here. This is the new switch, and that's located down under the airbox on top of the transmission. So what I've done is I've removed the air tube, the air filter and airbox lid, and the airbox. So the air tube is just 3 plastic fasteners. Airbox is 3 10mm bolts. So pretty simple. And let's move in to show you what that switch looks like in there. So this is what I did to test out to see if we're on the right track. I found the harness for the switch, jumpered it with a paper clip, put the car in reverse, and the lights are now working. So I know that it's something in there in that switch that's gone bad, because that switch just completes the circuit and allows your lights to turn on. So I'm going to change that out.
Hi in Daddy's video.
So right down there, here is the switch, and I've got a 24mm socket to fit on there, and some penetrating oil, and hopefully that comes out. So I started it with the socket wrench, and it broke free really easily. Loose. And there we have it. So it looks like the contacts are okay, but it looks like there's some corrosion inside. And it's just a button. It's a physically activated button. That part still moves, but there's got to be something in there that's not quite functioning. We'll get the new one in. There's a new one. It's got some thread locker on already. Put it down there. We'll finish with the socket and snug it down. The old one wasn't that tight, so we're just going to give it a little snug and hook up our wiring harness again. And like I said, I used a 24mm socket. We'll get it all put back together. So there we go, new switch installed, reverse lights are working, it's all hooked up, it's no longer jumpered, so we're good to go.